Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by mounting the G33 now. Secure the mount to the rail and tighten to spec so it won't shift. Once mounted, make sure the flip-to-side lever opens smoothly and adjust fore-aft so your eye finds the optic comfortably, about 2 to 3 inches of eye relief. You need a stable platform. A loose mount ruins zero. These first actions set the foundation, so take a breath, recheck torque, and confirm the magnifier sits directly behind your red dot. Now you align and zero. Flip the magnifier into position and center the red dot in the magnifier's field. Use coarse alignment first. A bore sight or laser saves time, then move to live fire. Fire 3-round groups at 25 yards, observe point of impact, and adjust windage and elevation on the magnifier housing as needed. Make small corrections. Too much movement wastes rounds. Once the point of impact matches your point of aim, confirm both optics remain. Finish by practicing transitions. Flip the magnifier to the side to use the red dot, then back into place quickly. This builds muscle memory. Once done, recheck mount torque and confirm zero after any heavy use. Small shifts show up over time. Maintain the optic, clean lenses gently, keep screws snug, and carry spares. If things go wrong, like sudden shift or blurry sight picture, re-verify mount tightness first, then re-zero. Most issues are mechanical, not optical.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.